Yo, yo. Happy Wednesday. What is up? What is up? So, let's have a look over here. I knew that was a fake out. Gold just randomly dropped about half an hour ago. Now it's just immediately pushing back up. So I'm going to jump in and do a bit of a top-down analysis here. I might switch over to Forex to do a bit of a top-down analysis. So fuck it, I'll stay here. So daily, I think it's pretty obvious what the top-down is going to show. It's just super bullish momentum. How interesting. Yesterday, and a candle that closed with no bottom wick and no top wick just shows insane volume. 4 hour is looking very bullish. This current 4 hour is looking very bullish. It's just wick down. Now it's pushing up. Let's see how the 4 hour looks. What is up, Muzz? What is up? Good morning. Good afternoon for me, but good morning for you. Just over here on gold. Let's see what we can get today. 4 hour looking bullish. Previous candle engulfed. And now this one's wick down. Looks like it wants to push up. Bit of 1 hour support was created prior to this candle. Yep, still looking super bullish. So straight away what I'm going to do is what I would always do. Let's have a look at the 15 here on Forex. Yeah. Straight away, this is my resistance level here. And my support level here, and I'm pretty happy with both of these zones. A break of either of these zones is looking very juicy for buyers or sells. So I'm essentially going to be looking for a break of either of these zones over here. I think that'll be dope AF. Dope AF is what this could be. Alright, so that 15 just closed there. It didn't break out of this zone just yet. The next one's pushing up. Let's see what happens here if it rejects back down, which I feel like it will, because I'm the market wizard who loses money regularly. Let me put some text here. Man, I couldn't stream yesterday. I was away for work. And only just made it to this stream. Alright, cool. I've got my zones sussed out. Don't fuck with me, charts. I'm onto your shit. And I'm waiting for an opportunity over here now. I've got a bit of pre-workout here because I've been on planes and I'm a bit fried. So I'm trying to wake up a little bit. I'm sure a trade hitting my stop loss will wake me up. So let's see if we can get that happening. Yeah, I got hit up by a prop firm. I might be getting well, it looks like I'll be having a couple of prop accounts to give away on the stream as well. So I'll start promoting that a bit more on the stream because yeah, I'll have a few free accounts I can give away. It's like I just have like a couple of the same people that just show up every day, so I'll just give it to them. It's not like I got some crazy audience over here. Alright, so I can't do anything till this candle closes. Let me do I'm going to do a quick top down here over on Forex, see if I missed anything. Bullet. Bro, gold's going to hit 3,000 definitely. It's like soon as fuck. In my humble opinion. Raphael, what is up? What is up? Thank you. The same to you. The same to you. Let's hope that we... Do you know all the luck I need is the luck of ensuring I stick to my rules. That's it. Win, lose or draw. As long as I stuck to my rules, I'm a happy man. That is all. That is all. So like everyone else in the world, I'm more bullish, obviously. This is like all-time highs right here. So we just keep breaking these all-time highs. And yeah. Although I did catch a sell here yesterday, to be brutally honest. I caught I think I caught it right here. I caught something like 21 pips or 23 pips right here yesterday. In a sell. Maybe it wasn't that one. No, it was one of these ones. One of these little pullbacks. Caught that pullback. Anticipated that pullback for a continuation. $10 minutes for this closure. What's this range over here? Let's have a look. Sweet. It's only about 37 pips. So yeah, pretty simple game plan. Wait for this. Wait for some sort of closure, which will be a confirmation. Brian, how do you decide your take profit and stop loss? That's pretty, for me personally, I just anticipate the next zone to be hit. So for instance, where's a good example? I guess I took a stop, I took a sell, I guess I took an L here. But if I was anticipating this to continue down, the next support zone was right here, right? So that's where I had it, anticipating the next one to come down, tap into that next support zone. So I'm always looking at support and resistance, right? So I know it's going to gravitate to the next support or resistance zone. And then my stop loss ideally will be before, above the previous 15-minute candle's wick. So when it comes to breaking all-time highs, just say we were taking a buy here, anticipating some sort of continuation up, and then there's no clear indication of where you're going to take profit, right? So then you have to use psychological numbers. If I were to jump on Forex and be like, well, where's the next whole number? If we break here, the next kind of whole number, maybe I would aim for, yeah, like 27550 type shit. Ideally 2760. Yeah, you got to play a bit of a different game when you break to all-time highs. Start looking for psychological numbers, whole numbers. Let me open up Zoom over here. Not sure if you're still there, Brian, but if I were to take a buy, for instance, right here, my stop loss would be below the previous 15 candle wick. So SL. And then this is me anticipating a continuation up to gravitate towards the next resistance zone. So that's my take profit. And it'd be the same if I were to take a sell here. Just say I got the right confirmation. I would anticipate my take profit to be here at the next support zone. So I'm always anticipating the candles to move and gravitate towards the next zone. All right, 5 minute over here, 5 minutes before this 15 closure. Yeah, Brian, super straightforward. Like, I try to keep it as simple as possible. It kind of goes against human nature because you think, oh, to extract money out of the markets, you have to make it super detailed and difficult. But I was just like, it's really not the way, especially if you like pay attention to how some of the best traders in the world trade. Bro, they keep it so simple. It's insane. It's a bit of like a head fuck because you think, no, it has to be complicated. It has to. Like, there's no way this can be that easy, like that simple. It's like, well, I think it can. Not gonna lie, I would actually rather this candle close bearish and then break after this candle, just to create a little bit of more support up here. Been trying to expand my knowledge on different strategies, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way. I mean, I've only been in this game, it's, a bit over 2 years, but that first year, I fucking dabbled in every single strategy known to man. Just get my beak wet everywhere. Just feel it all out. And then when you do settle on a strategy, you feel a bit more secure because you know what's out there. Plus, I had to find what matched my personality. I tried swing trading. I couldn't sleep, bro. If I had a trade on overnight, guaranteed I would dream about the trade. And I'd wake up and check my phone. And just stressed me out too much. I was like, nah, bro. But then I went the complete opposite and started to trade on the 1 minute, which was super high pace, lots of trades a day. That was too much for me. Too much stimulation. Aru, what is up? What is up? What is up? Good to see you back, my friend. Thank you for being here. I was saying before, earlier in the stream, I'm going to be linking with this prop firm. They reached out to me, and I'm going to be giving away some free prop accounts on this stream, which is pretty dope. So yeah, I'll talk more about that later. Lol, on the same. Yeah, sleep with the charts in my bro. Yeah, man. It's like, it's stressful enough being on the charts, let alone freaking having to see them again when you're asleep. God. Yeah, it's wild stuff. For what firm? Funding Next, they're called. They're a Forex firm. Funding Next. It's pretty cool. Yeah, they fully reached out to me. They've done like a whole agreement up. It's like a contract and everything. It's pretty dope. They're going to, hook me up account. I'm going to trade with that account as well live. And then, yeah, give away some accounts on this, on the stream. which is pretty dope. I was thinking in my head, man, I have like the same people that show up to the stream. I already know who basically is going to get the the freaking accounts. So yeah, I'll keep posting it once I get more detail, like when I get access to the accounts and shit. And in the Discord as well. I haven't really been very active in the Discord because I actually want to get some people in there. Like, there's a few people, slowly build it, and then I'll start posting more in the Discord. All right, we've got 1.5 minutes here before this 15 closes, so let's see what we can do. Like I said, I would honestly, I'll show you right here real quick what I want to see. If this can close bearish like that, next one, wick down just a little bit, and then break, fuck yeah, I'm all in, full margin. Because I'll anticipate a continuation up, take a buy there, boom. Easy money. Easy money. And then what actually happens is you take a buy there and then it just goes like this. You're like, fuck me. If this closes weak bullish. History, what is up, my dude? What is up, my dude? You're one of the first people I thought of, to be honest. I was saying before that I'm going to be linking with this prop firm, and I get to give away some free prop accounts on this channel. And I was thinking, man, I only have like the same people that rock up, so it's just like, I already know who's going to get it. I want to see how this closes, because I could be potentially interested in a sell if I see some shit that I want to see next. But let's see what happens. We've got 10 seconds before this closes. Oh, you heard it. Oh, sweet, sweet. 30's about to close. 30 engulfing, but the 15 isn't. Ooh, no, that looks pretty good. No, it doesn't. So now you've got to make a decision. This 15, so I was waiting for a breakout. If I switch over to Forex, this 15-minute candle actually broke, oh shit, exactly on the same level as these, plus it closed smaller body than prior, right? It closed a smaller body. So you have to make an educated decision. Like, do I think this is a indication of we're losing a bit of volume, we might need to do a little dance around, create a bit of support first before a breakup, or do I think it's going to go now? Because the other thing that confluences that it might go is the 30 just closed and the 30 engulfed. The 30 actually technically closed above. I've seen this happen a lot, and I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to see how this closes. Especially because it hasn't created a bottom wick yet either. It could leave, I don't give a shit. Like, it's not even close to beating my rules, to be honest. I'm trading US oil and US Dow. Oh, shit, you're switching it up? Okay. Yeah, some people trade oil. Hey, I don't know. When I look at oil, I'm like, man, does this even follow the same fucking rules? Like, the way it moves, I'm like, I don't know. But I know you can get some pretty crazy moves with oil. Now, if this does flip, let's say this flips, creates a bottom wick over here. If this creates a decent bottom wick and then flips back bullish, I'll probably take a buy there. But I don't think that's going to happen. But if it does, I'll take a buy. But I'll need a decent wick on this candle. I've got pre-workout over here. This is what I use for the gym. Doosh! And I need it to stay awake and alert, because I've been flying on planes and for my day job. I work for a gas company, and we had to fly over to a different state to see some clients. I think proper support has to be created. Yeah. I agree with you only because I'm not a huge fan of the fact that it's just being green from this support. Like I said before, I actually wanted this candle here to flip and close bearish, but it didn't. So let's if this closes, yeah, we'll see what happens with this closure. No, for oil you have to look at the fundamentals. Yeah, I thought so. I expect a huge move up from tomorrow as Israel might launch their attack on Iran. Ooh. I've stopped using pre-workout for a year now. Yeah, pre-workouts, it's basically just a caffeine hit. And I'll be honest, I'm a bit of a caffeine addict. I'm a caffeine addict. I'll admit it. Yeah, I've seen some bank released a statement saying that they believe gold's going to hit 3,000 before the end of the year, which is wild. Fucking wild, man. Look where gold was, man. Like, everyone we were trading gold, like. We were all trading gold around here. This is in February, bros. How much? That's so crazy. 100. So that's 1,000 pips. This is. It's moved up 7,000 pips since April. Bro, look how bullish gold looks here on the daily. Wick down, tapped into this wick, flipped. Bruh, see you later. Yeah, I might need to be a little bit more aggressive. Oh, we just got a bottom wick there. Okay. I'm going to be brutally honest. I'm going to put a buy stop up here. I'm going to put a buy stop up here. Anticipating a flip, but I need the flip to happen soon. I need it to happen soon. For sheezy. And my stop would be back in this range below the current candle's wick. It could if it does push up, it could aggressively flip bearish, but you just have to take the trade and accept the risk, I guess. It did do what I wanted it to do. I would have liked a bit more of a wick, but beggars can't be choosers. Because the 30-minute engulfed it big time. Looks very bullish on the 30. 15 kind of has to get past a few wicks there still, which isn't very cool. Whoa, look how much it pushed my fucking order up, bro. My order was just above the previous candle's wick. And it pushed it all the way up. Wild scenes over here. Wild scenes. What a shame. I'm gonna have to take my profits relatively quick, because if it comes down, I'm gonna be in drawdown and my stop loss is... What to do over here? I'm gonna have to just accept the risk. I just don't like the fact that it pushed my order up so much. 5 pips. It pushed my order up 5 pips. 5 ticks. What an aggressive move though, but it looked so bullish. Like on the higher time frames, it looked like it was ready to just fucking do exactly what it did, I guess. And so I guess I'll just have to kind of gauge. At its peak, it was up 11 pips. I'd like to start looking at taking partials or close the whole thing at around 15 pips. If it doesn't flip back down, just create a top wick and just grab a bunch of liquidity. Yeah, but wow, that was aggressive. What's Forex showing? But look at this on the daily, like flipping hell. Beautiful, looks beautiful on the daily. Bro, I should be in 5 more pips profit, but the spread or slippage, whatever you want to call it, freaking, I'm still relatively new to futures. Yeah, I want to look at least getting 15 pips. I'm not trying to be greedy, I'm just trying to be realistic, to be honest. I stopped using 2 years ago. Two years ago I told my parents to buy gold. They did not agree. Oh, brother. Pull up the charts and be like, Dad, Mum, look at this. 7,000 pips away. So I would love to hold this to just see if it can break its own wick over here and get a nice little push again. And then I could figure out what I want to do from there. And just maybe even question, like, see if I don't want to be a little bitch and see if I can hold it for a hold it past this 15 closure. Because a lot of the time that gold is broken above all-time highs, it has certainly pushed further beyond there. I told my mum yesterday gold is at a really high level, too expensive to buy. Maybe, or maybe it'll just keep freaking going up. You read Tom Hogarth's book and he talks about that all the time, this idea that we, you know, when something's really expensive, we think that, you know, now's the time to sell type shit. But it's like, maybe it'll just keep going. There's a nice little break of its own wick there. Alright, I might take profit soon. I should be 5 more pips in profit, but slippage got me. Slippery little slip. Fuck. Damn, son, look at this. All right, fuck it. I'll hold for this. I've got 2 minutes before this 15 closes. I'll just hold. And I have to accept because I have to accept that it might come back down and hit my stop loss. And if it does, that's just the game, right? There's nothing you can do about it. If I mentally prepare myself for that now, it won't hurt as much. If I was like, oh man, I'm gonna hold it forever. I'm gonna be a trillionaire. God damn, look at that push. Wow, wild scenes. That's 20 pips from where I put my stop. 21, 22. What a phenomenal trade that is. Whoa. I'm going to get ready to take very shortly over here. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm out. 350 bucks right there. 20 something pips. Bro, do you know that's from where I put my order, that's 23 pips, and I'm usually happy with 14 pips. So for me to get 23 pips, to be fair, slippage pushed me up, so it was actually 18 pips. I'm very happy with that. So now I'm going to hang out and see if we can get one more trade for the day. What a nice trade that was. And again, that's the importance of, like, I have a predetermined plan. Like I said, I like how it looks in some regards. I don't like how it looks in others. If it does give me a wick and flip up and break its own high, because it did push up initially, then I'll take it trade. What happened? Exactly that. Boom. Thank you. Come again. And now I'll just hang out for a second over here and see if I can get another trade. Raphael, nice trade. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, that was a good one, hey. That was a good one. Looks like I got out at a really good point as well. It rejected there, even though it'll probably continue up. Let's see how this hour is looking. Yeah, it's all looking textbook bullish. So I need to wait to see how this next 15 closes to see if there's an opportunity to get another trade over here. Yeah, see if there's another opportunity over here. Yeah, I've got to be brutally honest. When I'm in a trade now, I'm thinking, you know, if you've got a target in your mind, especially when it's all-time highs, there's no real targets. I was talking about it before, there's like psychological numbers and things like that. But then I also have an average pip count that I want to catch on a trade. Like I said, for me, it's like 14, 15 pips. Anything more than that is like, whoa, nice. I went a little... No, it was okay. I was going to say I went a little bit bitch with the lot size, but it was alright. It was actually alright. $350. This is my I just want to trade light. Boom. That's when you know shit's popping off. I'll keep on waiting. Yesterday, I got a perfect entry which resulted in 60 pips. Bro, that's wild. Do you know the things I would do for 60 pips? Good shit, man. Yeah, I'm going to wait as well. I'm going to see what happens over here with this 15 and see if it presents any more opportunities. Because here's the thing. No, I'll wait. Raphael, how's it going with Topstep Combine? Did you pass it, bro? I wish I passed it. So what happened was I spent 2 weeks doing excellent. And then last Friday, I decided to break my own rules, traded Asia, which is not, my rule is to only trade London Open, right? Traded Asia, went on a mini tilt session and lost all my progress. So now I'm back at scratch and just climbing my way back up again. Which is, yeah. Like I've said many times on this stream, I'm the same as everyone else. Like I'm still trying to learn. I'm still trying to get better at my silly mistakes, and I made a big mistake last Friday and spent the weekend really assessing myself and my errors, and yeah, back to just improving. Because at the end of the day, it's like when I don't know if anyone on this stream is a veteran. I'm not, but it's still like you're kind of learning every day in a way, right? And the bad thing is you learn the most through pain when you make big fuck ups, and I made a big fuck up, and now I'm just learning from it. So sorry to hear. Nah, it's good, bro. That's all right. It's part of the game. I feel like it's just a part of it. Well, for me at least. Like the last 6 months, I've really improved my trading, but every now and then, like last Friday, I'll make a mistake. It's far less frequent these days, but I will make a mistake and I'll just learn from it. Yeah, funding next. So anyone that maybe knew, I'm going to be getting a collaboration with funding next. But yeah, it does look like they're really kind of trying to expand their spectrum of marketing, because I have a background in, like, I did a bit of boxing matches and some bodybuilding in my past, and they were really like, hey man, we want to see you kind of like promote your lifestyle as well outside of your trading. So it looks like they're really trying to do things a bit different, I guess. Oh no, Dan, let's get back to work. We'll do it together. Exactly, man. Exactly. So this is a bit, I'll be honest with you guys, I only ever spoke to one trader before I ever started streaming. So I started streaming, a couple months ago? I'd never spoke to any other traders, ever. And just seeing you guys, like, I'll rock up here. To be honest, me just turn up to stream, this is my favorite part of my day. Really is. Win, lose, or draw. Because I'm passionate about trading. Really passionate about trading. So when I get to rock up here and talk to other people that are passionate about the same thing, I'm like, whoa, this is sick, man. So yeah, 100%, man. We'll do it together. 100%. Because I'm probably the same as you guys. Like, the long-term vision for trading, none of us really trade because we're just like, oh, this is a fun thing. Like, let's just start trading. It's like, no, we've probably got quite grand visions for the future that trading could bring us, and we're doing it for that. And when you're doing something that has such a big purpose, I don't know, it's cool. It's just cool when there's other people on that journey as well. Ella's around. She's just busy. She's got like uni and other things and like that. She's just busy. But she's still trading. She's doing really well as well. The biggest thing for myself and Ella, and I think most traders, is like, you know, when you get to a point, you're like, you have a pretty decent realization, like, fuck, I need to wait and take like 1 to 2 trades a day. Right? And when you're waiting for that setup, sometimes it doesn't rock up, and it can you can get a bit like fidgety, right? It's actually quite hard to stay patient. So I guess they're good issues to have as a trader. But yeah. So look over here, we've got 7 minutes before this one closes. It's kind of just figuring out what it wants to do. The thing is, if this candle closes like it is now, that would be some sort of support. I could see it just continuing up. So I'll hang out for a little bit here. I have a feeling I might not get a setup for a fair while. If that's the case, I might have to look at just ending soon and come back tomorrow, but I'll wait out, see what happens. Because realistically, I'd want to see something like this. Like either this to completely reverse back into this range as a fake out. I would take a fake out sell all day. But no, we'll just wait. We'll see if something rocks up. See if something rocks up. But yeah, that was a nice trade. Let me pull this over. Let me pull this up here. What is it? Charts. Show chart execution. Yeah, that was really nice. Caught that fat candle right there. That was actually a trade that was based off, look here, the daily breaking that high, flipping. The 4 hour closed above and created a small wick. Everything was looking juicy except the 15. And the thing is, the 15 is the weakest confirmation out of all of them. So why would I listen to the 15 when the stronger confirmations are telling a different story? So I had to make an educated decision. And it paid off. Yeah, nice one over there. This could be a reversal candlestick. On what time frame? Because right now it's looking bullish as fuck. The 1 hour is about to close. Super bullish. Break out that zone. Close outside of that zone. Everything's looking bullish. The 15's looking like it's... Yeah, everything's looking bullish right now. I was saying in the trade that yeah, I wanted to hold, because think about every time gold's broken past all-time highs, it's fucking where it's gone since then. But usually it will come back down and kind of tap and retest the level again. Oh, it just broke the previous wick. Sheesh. This is the part where you go, oh, should have held. Why, Lord? I should have got greedy. Even though I got more pips than I usually would ever. Is there any news today? Let's have a look over here. No. Tomorrow I'm pretty sure there is. Yeah, tomorrow there's a fucking lot of news. A lot of red folder. Unemployment claims. Yeah, interesting. 2 minutes for this 15 to close. The only thing I could see that this potentially being a reversal is if it closes with no top wick, because then that would mean the 1 hour would close with no top wick. And in all-time highs, if a candle closes with no top wick, you know, there's a pretty even chance that it could reverse because there's no range being created. But we'll see. I'm not saying that will happen, but yeah, it's a possibility. Yeah, the way gold's been lately, man, you could just close your eyes and click buy and you're good to go. Like, it's been wild. Wild. I never traded around the COVID time, but I think that's somewhat like what the COVID time was, but for sells. Everything was just crashing. Alright, there's the 15 closure. That's the 1 hour. 1 hour super bullish closure. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty fucking crazy. The higher time frames are still looking crazily bullish. Like, I could potentially look at a sell buy soon. I could, based off the 1 hour alone. Let's see what this one does. Yeah, I think let's have a look. I think I might call that a day for the stream personally, guys. I'm sure a setup will arise soon, but I won't be able to capitalize on a setup for at least an hour or so. I don't think. I need some sort of support formed and shit like this. But decent little buy there, and I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you anyone that had watched, and yeah, be back tomorrow. Have an incredible